के अंदर डाल देना.
Hello sir, I am Preeti and I am from ABP News. So actually I am conducting a youth survey, and for that I would like to take some of your precious time and ask you few of the questions. Okay. So the first question is, what is a style statement? I mean, what do you wear and carry, and which brand do you associate yourself with?
I won't comment on any specific style statement. There's nothing as such. I take it as it comes for me. And as far as associating myself with any particular brand, not really. Yes, my favorite brand stands out to be Woodland, of whose footwear I'm very particular of. Otherwise, there's nothing much to do with any of my clothing. I always go with a very generic style suit.
Okay. So how do you communicate with friends?
Communication takes place over the internet. Messages, I have no forward. It's very content-based messages, and just for the using of you just communicate strictly on WhatsApp. It's one major way.
Okay, that's good. So what phone do you have?
I have this thing, Samsung Galaxy, one of the earliest Galaxy 5. One of the earliest launches. It's a small smartphone.
Okay, so what do you do on the internet?
What do I do on the internet? Internet is primarily for browsing news. That's what I use it for. There's Wikipedia, social media, I mean, that's always there, Facebook. And yes, our campus mates keep us busy more or less.
Okay, that's good. So how do you access the internet, like through a mobile or through a laptop or tablet?
It's laptop, primarily laptop. Then I have my mobile phone. Mobile phone is primarily when I tuck into my bed at nights and then look out for news before I go to bed. And yeah, it's basically laptop.
Okay. And what connection do you have, like internet connection?
Internet connection, there is a hostel connection, which works less often than any. And I must say, I have an Airtel dongle, which gives me major support.
Okay, that's good. And which of the social networking sites do you visit most often?
Social networking sites I visit, it has to be Facebook. There is Twitter. Twitter for some really good articles you get, people tweet. Then, primarily the Google Plus hasn't taken up the market as it should have, as we were expecting it to, and it's not very interesting. I haven't found it interesting. That's it.
Okay. So, what do you do for your entertainment?
What do I do for my entertainment? A huge music and movie buff.
Okay.
So entertainment is basically surfing through IMDb, getting a new movie, downloading and watching it. That's my entertainment. And yes, I've become a big fan of The Family Guy.
Okay.
That's what takes away a lot of my time now. One episode once in a while, 22 minutes, crisp, good fun.
So apart from the entertainment world, do you read newspapers?
Yes, newspapers. Yeah, I forgot to mention one thing in entertainment: sports, cricket matches.
Okay.
Takes away a bulk of my time, especially tests. And newspapers, yes, I only read one newspaper in India, that's Hindu. I do not have any belief of any other news. I mean, I always feel something or the other is fudged, but Hindu is very sedate, restrained and clean and crisp news.
So, do you prefer a hard copy or you watch it? You read it online?
I definitely prefer a printed copy. I would want my copy of newspaper in the morning.
Okay. So, which channels do you watch on TV?
Which channels do I watch on TV? If it's sports, it's Star Cricket, Star Sports, ESPN, that general range, wherever there are cricket matches. If India plays in South Africa, I watch 10 cricket, that's where the broadcasts come. But again, if you're talking of other channels, I don't watch anything else except maybe possibly IBN, Times Now, Indian News, CNN or BBC.
Okay. So do you watch these news channels online or you prefer TV?
I prefer a TV. That's maybe because online connections are not so good. Maybe I expect to have my laptop or turning out to be a TV one day.
Okay. So do you watch any videos online?
Yes, I do watch online videos, TED videos. I do watch them. I watch a lot of old cricket videos online on YouTube. YouTube is another site. That's it. That's about it.
What do you like to watch most? I mean, anything.
What do I like to watch mostly? Cricket matches, old matches, the classic matches. That's what I surf on YouTube, nothing else.
Okay. So here's the final question for you. And like, what languages do you know?
I know English, Hindi, Bengali.
Okay,
Telugu.
that's good. Okay, so do you write? Are you comfortable in writing and reading these languages?
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
of these?
English, Hindi, Bengali, I'm very comfortable writing and reading
As well as
and speaking.
reading. Okay.
Telugu, I can read as well as speak.
So do you read any stuff regarding these languages online?
Online, yes, I read Guernica. Then there's one more, Carnival. These are English journals on English literature. That's about it I read generally.
Okay. Thank you.